wants to come thrifting with me and my mom and see a big haul and a try on? Let's go! Hey cuties! So today I'm here to give you guys a thrifting, like kind of vlog moment, see what we saw at the thrift store. My mom's also there. She reveals if she's a Swiftie or not and her thoughts on Taylor Swift. And everything I got, brand names, prices, try on, everything you like. You guys have been requesting this for a while, so let's do it. I'm in good spirits today. I hope you guys are having a great day and something makes you smile today. So let's start you guys off with me donating. I always have like a bag to donate whenever I go thrifting or if I'm passing a thrift store or something like that. So I'm gonna donate, and a subscriber recognizes me, so I just caught the end of it. But it was her birthday and she was so sweet. There was a whole family. They were all so amazing. So let's just start with that and then get into the thrifting part. So here you guys go. Here's a little vlog and everything. Woo! Nice to meet you. Hey. Oh, there. Declutter responsibly. Our planet and nonprofit partners, thank you. You're welcome. And I'll take those boots in exchange. They're cute. Okay. This is extra large. It's like a see-through tie. It's torrid. It's XXXL. It's gonna be like a nice throw and it's sheer. I love it. Are you finding anything?
That's okay.
Yeah.
Very cute. I was just gonna say you need a tank top underneath it or something, right?
I don't need another one hanging in my car.
Sorry. Yeah, me too. Same. Hello? What is it? No, that's like for classy ladies. I'm like a oh bag.
You're not a classy lady?
No. I mean, no. We are thrifting with my mom. I already got 2 things. Okay, what did you just say? What'd you say about the Super Bowl?
Is anybody gonna watch the Taylor Swift football game on Sunday?
She's a Swiftie. She's a Swiftie. Oh my god, I'm like laughing. So it seems like I'm drunk or something. I'm just having a great time with my mom, like literally.
Old and worn out.
Yeah, it is.
Hey?
But the sleeves are what
Right?
she's looking
That's
at.
really too bad.
Oh, it's cute. Why do I love this so much? Like, I don't even know, but I'm getting it. It's like vintagey kind of cute. Mickey!
Look at how cute it is.
Yeah, the rhinestones are perfect on there, especially being washed.
You just gotta but it's just
Yeah, it just needs a little touch up.
right.
Okay, let's see. More Christmas. Cute. Whoops, whoops. Remember to pick these up when you drop them. Jeans, jeans, jeans. Those are
like
cute.
these. They have flower on them, eh?
Yeah,
But I
the
don't know
floral.
how to size these things. But they're
I
stretchy
love this on there.
too. Isn't that cute?
It's not too much. It's just like a little at the side. Cute. Oh, Merry Christmas, everyone. Only like 11 months till Christmas. Hear me out. This, but in a crop top. These are so cute. They would never fit me. But look at how cute these buffalo jeans are. But my mom pointed out that one of these has like a hole right in the butt. Like you can like literally put your finger through. And look at your butt's just showing me. The cutest jeans right now.
aren't stretchy.
Yeah, we're looking for stretchy.
I'm like,
Yeah, I need
to get
stretchy.
into a 0 because they're stretchy.
Yeah. These have like we don't know what this is, and denim. Look at how cute they are. They're brand new. They still have the tags. So we looked it up, and apparently they are H&M brand, if I'm not mistaken. And there's like little like, what'd you call them? Studs. They studded all the way down. Also, I found these. These are brand new, and they're actually not that bad price. Look at it, like $18 for brand new Guess. I can tell from this that they're from Winners or Marshalls or something like that, or TJ Maxx, but like that's still a really good price because these will probably be like $40 at Winners. $44. Oh my god, that's so cute. I don't think I would ever wear it. It's like a sleep shirt.
Yeah,
kind of
it's
thing.
cute,
It's really
isn't it?
cute. Is that Marge? Why does she not look like Marge? Or do I not know Simpsons character? Is that supposed to be Marge?
Yeah, it doesn't look like
Looks like Bob's Burgers or something.
Look at this go-go baby. Go-go baby. Remember Taylor Swift going?
Yeah, with that dress. She's a Swiftie. It's cute. Literally me. I'm back. Okay, so I came out of there not thinking I was gonna get anything, and I got all this stuff. Like what? The amount I donated, I pretty much just bought back. They were all so nice in there. The thrift store I went to was Valley Village, by the way, if you guys are wondering. So here's the haul and try on. Woo, 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 woo. So the very first thing I picked up that you guys saw in that little vlog moment was this. This is Torrid brand, and I just loved this for like a little like slip kind of thing. I love leopard print. I never know the difference between leopard and cheetah. So if this is cheetah print, don't eat me. Don't be a cheetah and eat me. Yes, I'm gonna wash all these items, but I'm gonna try them on first and then wash them. They didn't have changing rooms there. I think my mom said to me that they got rid of them during COVID. So I couldn't try any of these on, and they just have an exchange policy. So which also kind of sucks, because like if you buy something and it's hideous on you, if you don't thrift that often, then you can't get your money back. Make sure you know your thrift store's policy. You guys are probably like, we don't care, just show us the clothes. So this is like, it's really, really sheer, so I have to wear something under it, but I just thought this was gonna be so cute. It's long sleeve. I love it. So I could literally wear like a bra under here. This was $8.99, so $9, and it says it's a 3. So does that mean 3XL? 3XL. So it looks like that. I just love this oversized, and it'll look so good with like my Uggs or some like cute, I found like a whole bunch of my brown tall boots. I think this is gonna look so cute with that, or just like some biker shorts if it's really nice outside. And yeah, I really liked that. I think I'm gonna try on all these things with jeans. I've been wearing jeans a lot lately, so if they don't look good with the jeans, oh well. This is not how I'm styling them, is how I'm showing you guys that. So next up is something that I was like obsessed with. It's actually Looney Tunes brand. Like, it's Looney Tunes brand, you guys. And it's bright, like bubblegum Barbie pink. This is my favorite kind of pink ever. Oh my god, this turquoise. This is what it looks like. I also got this in the extra large place because that's where I started. My mom just kind of like started looking, so I just started looking. I didn't even realize what section I was in, and I was like, oh my god, these oversized things are so freaking cute. I need them. My mom's like, yeah, because your boobs are huge. And I was like, thanks, the best compliment all day. So this is what she looks like, a little Tweety bird there. So cute, all bundled up. This is very like wintry, but we just got like a downpour of snow. So like this is like perfect for right now. Super cuddly and cozy. And it's like this knit material. You guys can see, oh, you can. I love this camera, it's so beautiful. It like matches with my nails too, like this nail right here. Oh, me. And this is actually like fuzzy and furry. This is so nice. I love this. Don't have anything like that. You guys know I can go obsessed with clothes. So this was like a streetwear society. This is, not like, it is a streetwear society brand. You guys like knowing brands. So it looks like this. I was going back and forth. I was like, this looks like it would go crop-ied on me. And I love crop tops, but it says Los Angeles and then New York. It's like a split between the two. It's like when two worlds collide. I'm like, in New York, Los Angeles Lakers are a basketball team, but so are the Yankees. Oh my god. Did I just make a song? I'm aware also that the New York Yankees are a baseball team. It was just the first sports team from New York that came to my mind. Oh, wow. Anyway, looks like that. It's also split on the back too. I thought this was cute. So Streetwear Society is like Urban Planet, Stitches. This was $4.99. So I thought that was okay. $5 for that shirt. So I got 2 lingerie items. Now some people are like they literally pass away over the fact of buying lingerie at a thrift store. My thing is I don't like lingerie to like have the underwear part of it. I think no matter how many times you wash that, for me, I'm like, I try to stay away from that. But what I get is mainly like slips if I can find something cute. Also, I have a website that I post lingerie pictures on, so I'm always looking for like cheap lingerie items. So these, yeah, I thought were super cute. Also like just to wear to bed if you want to feel like sexy one night. Valentine's Day is right around the corner. Check your local thrift store, wash it. I just like throw in like a Tide Pod and then some like boosting like things or whatever in my wash, and it already smells like it's been washed. It smells like dish detergent or something like that, or laundry detergent. But this I love. Like this to just go to sleep in. I thought it was super cute. And look at the brand name. She's Victoria's Secret. The tag looks like it's new too. It's been very, very gently worn, if worn at all. And it is just a slip. These are just super, super cute. I love how these like hug my body and my curves. And lace is always adorable. And there's a cute little bow at the front of it there. This was for Victoria's Secret being in very good condition. I love the color. When I have a tan, this is really gonna pop. This was $10.49. This at Victoria's Secret, I don't even know how much this would be, so I'm very, very pumped about that. And then the other one, I was like, oh my god, like literally like 90s like teddy. Like I was so obsessed with this. This doesn't even, oh, it does have a brand name. What's the brand name? Like there's literally no brand name on it. It just says like sizes and what it's made out of. This is so like old and vintagey, I feel, but look at this. This is so hot. I feel like Kat Von D would bang her man in this. oh my god, this is so cute. This little baby doll. I don't even know what size it is. They said it was a small, but I don't even know. It's cute either way. Like just to have this and like it's open here. It's hard to see with this black lace, but there's also this bow hanging from it. Do you see that? Just this got me. I was like, I need this. Like I need this. Something like this, it doesn't matter to me what size it is because I can like shape it and move around in it. It's not like I'm walking out of the house in this, but yeah, it's again, it's open and just, oh my god, it's like Morticia Adams joins OF. Okay, enough with the lingerie. Let's get into this my mom found for me. She was like, this reminds me of you. And I was like, Snatch? Like, Snatched. Hiss out. This is actually Shein brand. I was like, hi Shein, what are you doing? Ariana, what are you doing here? Like, what? This is so cute. Like, I need summer now. This with white jeans or white, oh my god, this with white jeans or white leggings is gonna like literally like, oh my god. I love this. This was $4.49. Like, hello. Very, very gently used. Love the ruffles and the strawberries. This matches these nails again. I'm gonna give you guys the finger again. So perfectly. Look at this. The colors in the strawberries like are literally identical. Come on. Ugh. So cute. Okay, I did get some jeans. I don't know if they're gonna fit. So my mom was like, I'm gonna buy these for you because I have trouble finding jeans that aren't like Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova jeans and Shein jeans actually fit me so good. Shein jeans more than Fashion Nova, but those are like what fits me because I do have curvier, like I got like literally fat injected into my ass twice and my hips. Like I just have like a lot of like curves going on, and when I gain weight, what my fat goes to first is literally those places. So right now it's like really hard to get into jeans. So I was telling that to my mom that it has to be like kind of like jegging material as she was looking at the jeans because she really needed new jeans. And I was telling her this, and then all of a sudden she pulls these out and she's like, I think these are gonna fit you. And I was like, I don't think they are, but maybe. And then she's like, look at how stretchy they are. And they do stretch. And I was like, okay, girl. Then we looked at the tag and it says Hollister. We don't have a Hollister where I am. So I'm like, hello. And then it says curvy high-rise jean leggings. So these are literally curvy jegging. I just don't know about the size. Like I was like, oh my god, I wish I was at Hollister right now because then I could actually like try them on and choose a good size. They're distressed. I really, really hope these fit me. They also look very gently worn as well. Everything smells like freshly washed, which I appreciate people because some people when they donate, they just like take it right off their body and donate it, or it could be sitting in their closet for a long time. So this like amount of stuff really smells good, but I'm not just gonna take the chance. I am gonna wash everything after I try them on, just throw them straight into the wash. But look at these, and these were for Hollister jeans $9.99, like 10 bucks for some brand new jeans. I thought was a great price, and if they don't fit, just donate them back, right? Then if you guys follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is right here. I did a story, so this was like a little preview moment. I found, and I like almost screamed in the store, like I found, wait for it, a baby fat shirt. I literally didn't even care what size it was. What size is it? It's a large. I was like, I don't care. Like even if it was an extra small, I would have got it and stretched it over. But it says baby fat. Like, oh my god, my girl baby fat's coming back. And it says by Kimora Simmons, obviously, that's who created baby fat. And look at this tag, like it looks so new. I don't know if this is like a comeback moment, like because I know like Y2K stuff people are like seeing as trendy now, and I was like, that's what I lived in. Like that's like my era. So I don't know if it's like being remade or if this is actually like a vintage piece from like way back then. But also on top of it, it had a brand new tag. A brand new tag, girl. Baby fat right here. It doesn't show me the original price. Babyfat.com it even says. I wonder if that website still exists. Like, hello? And this was, take a guess, $10. I was like, period. I feel like this color doesn't really look that good on me, but we will see, and I cannot wait. Like, oh my god, like literally score of the century. And if you don't know, if you're too young, or if you just don't know, baby fat was like literally what I grew up in my teenage years and my like early 20s. Like I was like always rocking baby fat and Fat Farm and stuff like that. Juicy, I still rock Juicy now. It's more easily to find. Baby fat you don't find a lot. Well, at least I don't in where I live. Okay, so then I got like a vintage shirt, which I don't know how I feel about it. I would have tried this on if there was fitting rooms, but I don't know, there was something about this. It was very like Jacob Elordi and Saltburn. It just reminded me of that. Very that. I don't even know the brand. This is the brand. It was actually like vintage. This is the brand name here. And this one was $5 only. So I was like, score. This This is what the back looks like. I don't know if this is gonna look cute on me or what, but we're gonna try it out. If it doesn't look that cute, we'll just like bling it up. We'll add a bunch of like necklaces and like rings and stuff like that, and we'll try. I could even like tuck it in. We'll see. I'm not really a fashionista, as you guys know. I literally was criticizing the Grammys, like people walking in the Grammys, and I was like, ew, could do better. And I was like, hate your shorts. And like this, like I am literally the opposite of a fashionista at all. Like look at me, I'm wearing these, and I'm wearing a Taurus necklace, and then this is like from Dollarama. I'm wearing mismatched eyelashes because they look cute together and no one notices. Like my nails are gaudy. Like I don't even know like what. My shirt like barely fits me. What am I doing? Look at my pants. I have no place. I have no place. Disgrace. Okay, this was also from Shein. I wasn't buying these items because they were brand names at all. Oh, except for the baby fat. Like, hello. So this one was $6.79. I feel like that was pricey for what it is. It is in like brand new condition. I like to wear these like to the bar or like under things and stuff like that, cardigans and stuff like that. Because sometimes I'll just wear a cardigan and I just want something underneath, even if it doesn't like quite fit. You don't see it. You know what I mean? So this was like for that. We'll just see what it looks like, but I just love the color. I can't pass this up in a crop top with the freaking lace there. It's just, oh, the knot tie or whatever it's called in here. Just so beautiful. And the straps, like look at this person did it like this, or maybe people were like pulling it off the rack or something like that. But for Shein, this much material for $6.79, I feel like you could buy cheaper on Shein. I'm not being sponsored right now from Shein. I have been in the past, but like, no. Then the last thing that I got, I didn't even go look at the jewelry or purses. I kicked myself for doing that as soon as we were halfway home. I was like, oh my god, we didn't even look at the purses. The last thing I got was this shirt here. It's just like a little like chill shirt, and it says smooth as Tennessee whiskey, and then it says sweet as strawberry wine. Seven. Like I was so excited to get this. This was so cute. No brand name. I don't know if somebody maybe made this, because there's also like no tags like even here, so maybe somebody made this, or maybe I don't even know. This was $3.99 only, so I was like, yes, yes, yes. This was some jeans. Like I literally was in my cowboy era, cowgirl era, cow era. I'm in my cow. I feel like I'm in my cow era now, to be honest, girl. But you could add some like strings to here or just like keep it open. I really, really like this. Nice and like cutesy. So it's not cutesy. It's just like, it's there. So that was everything I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this. You guys have been really, really requesting thrift store hauls or thrift store like vlogs and stuff like that. So I wanted to combine it all in one for you guys. Yeah, so confirmed my mom is a Swiftie. You guys all deserve a beautiful day. I hope you guys have one, and I love you guys so much. Have a great day, guys. Bye! Mwah!